Hey guys, welcome to Bank Mobile channel. Today, I would install iOS 16 on iPhone 7 Plus to iPhone 13 Pro Max. The iPhone I was teaching as an example would be an iPhone X. Before you watching my clip, don't forget like, share and subscribe for me enjoy. I would go to the update settings to see it doesn't have a version beta for download. You can see it is can download iOS 15.5. Now my phone is iOS 14.6. Then you must go to Safari. Time http iOS not download 16. Click Get. Install. Go to Settings again. Click More for View Profile. Click View Profile. Click Install it. Now it is can download iOS 16.